Hey guys, thought I'd film this. There's a psycho bird attacking the window, trying to hurt the cats. It's been going at it for like 2 hours now. Watch this. Watch if it comes back. There must be a nest close to the window. It's not gonna do it now. Of course, now that I got my camera on, it's not gonna do it. Keeps knocking on the window and attacking the window. Come on, bird. Here it comes. Watch this. See it? Maybe it's because I'm standing here, that's why it won't do it. Oh, there. See it? Keeps attacking the window. It's been at it for 2 hours now. It's like, give it up, bird. It's driving my cats crazy. The nest must be in that bush right there. It's like a really psycho bird. It's coming back. Watch this. It's trying to get at the cats to peck them. Trying to get a good shot. This bird is very persistent. It's gonna come back. Here it comes. Watch this. Oh my god! I've never seen this before! I keep missing it in the shot. Two hours doing this! Knocking and pecking the window. There it goes! Oh god, I got good shots there! It's right down there. Look. See it? Oh my god, and my cats are going crazy. It's my cats. Oh, you psycho bird. What do you want? My cats aren't bothering you. Your babies are safe. Don't worry. Oh my goodness! Give it up! Oh, my cat just pounced at the window. Whoa! They've had enough. My cats are even like so persistent too. They've been at this window for 2 hours as well. Watch, it's gonna fly up. It's coming back. See it? Knocking on the window. Oh my goodness, bird. What did my cats do? They're only looking outside. They're not even after you. I'm gonna go up higher so you can see it knock on the window. Whoa, my cat just pounced. Is that the birdies? Hey, you're going after the birdies? It's a psycho birdie. Good thing you guys are in the house. The cats are being really entertained right now. Here it comes, it's coming back. Down there. Oh my god, this is so funny. Hey Loki, watch out Loki, it's coming back. Watch your head. I know, right Rosie? The dog's even getting annoyed. Is it gone now? Oh my goodness. This is funny. Is the birdie gone? Oh no, it's back. It's coming back, guys. Here it comes. It's gonna hit the window again. The bird is really mad at the cats. I don't know why. They're inside. See, it's hitting the window again. Oh my goodness. The cats are like, haha, you can't get me. I'm on the other side of the window. Oh, the cat's getting up. Is that a crazy bird, Belle? It's a crazy birdie, eh? Crazy bird. Here it comes. It's coming back. Keeps like going on the ledge, then going in the bush, then knocking on the window, attacking the cats on the window. It keeps doing the same thing over and over again for 2 hours. This is crazy. One cat gave up. But Loki, he's very persistent. He's still staying there. And Elsa too. Oh, Elsa's gone. Hey Loki, you like the bird? You like the bird? Here it comes. It's coming back. It's coming back. You crazy bird. There it is there. Trying to go up higher so you guys can see it knock the window again. Oh my goodness. Give it up, bird. Whoa, Garfield sees him. Whoa. Oh, you crazy bird. You crazy bird. Oh my goodness. Nuts. It's back again. Oh, it went right to the ledge right there. Oh, the cats are going crazy. Oh my goodness. I thought I'd share this with you guys. It's so hilarious. Is that the bird? Oh, Elsa's scared of the bird. You scared of the bird? Oh. Don't be scared. It can't get you. The psycho bird can't get you. Loki, don't close the curtain. I'm filming. He's closing the curtain. I'm filming, Loki. Don't close the curtain. One last shot of this crazy bird. Is it gonna come back? I'm pretty sure it will. Here it comes. What, Rosie? You want to see the bird too? Oh my god, even my dog is like at the window. It's a crazy bird. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. I thought I'd share it with you. It's pretty hilarious. Take care, guys. See you next time.